Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you guys how to make your very own black screen Quran video. Like the ones you see on Instagram, the ones you see on YouTube, TikTok, you name it. So the first thing you want to do is search for this Telegram channel. You can search it via Google because that's what I did on my PC. Or on your mobile phone, just Google search it and just type out Quran font. It should come out on the first search result. So next thing you want to do if you're on the mobile phone, you press on the pinned message. It should take you all the way back to September 9, 2023. Then you can scroll down a little bit further, and you'll find Quran 2013 at AM9LI9. This AM9LI9 is the creator of this zip file, of the fonts in this zip file that I'll be showing you guys, inshallah. So you download it. Once you've downloaded it, you just open it with WinRAR on PC or on your phone. I'm not so sure how you are going to open it because I don't use phone for my video editing videos. Then you want to scroll down to the page number that pertains to the surah you are about to make your video of. So for example, I'm going to make a video of Surah Maryam. For example, Surah Maryam on page 305. You can know the page number by going to Quran.com. So 305 until 312, which is the last ayat of the surah. So next thing is just know that you're trying to find the last 3 digits after QCF2. That's how the file name works. QCF2 and then the page number. Page number here is 305. So for example here, I'll click install. And I'll do this repeatedly for the other pages. So until 312, click install. Once you've done that for the pages in between, you should restart your computer because that's what I have to do for it to appear on my video editing software. I use CapCut, which is a very good software for editing. Doesn't have a watermark and it's free. So yeah. Next thing you want to do is open up previous.quran.com. Previous.quran.com. Once you're here, you go to settings, go to select font. What you should be seeing is that it is preset at V1. You want to change it to V2. King Fahd Quran Complex V2. It's a very important step. If not, it won't come out as the same result as you would see in this video, inshallah. So you go to your video editing software, you import your files. I'm not going to show you guys how to import because that's not really the point of the video. If you want to know how to familiarize yourself with video editing softwares, yeah, you should familiarize yourself before you make a video like this. So you drag it in, then you bring up your text, you drag in the default text right here. And then for example, I want to use the second ayat. You copy from previousquran.com. Remember, King Fahd Quran Complex V2. You copy it. And then what you want to do is you paste it. So you realize that it doesn't really come out the way you wanted it to. So you scroll down. It's already here because I used it before. You scroll down. It's based on the initials. So QRS. It's right here. 305. Page 305. And then you drag in another text. Please make sure to match it up with the audio that you use. Next thing, you want to include your translation. I use Sahih International. So you want to copy Sahih International's translation, which is actually the better translations out there right now. You want to copy it, paste it, and if it's too big, you just make it small. And there you go. Then the last thing you need to do is just make sure your presets are on, such as here. So I'm using 1920 1080 for my resolution, and make sure you name your video. You make sure your frame rate is at the right settings. I'm using 60 FPS. And then your performance, if you want a cleaner, smoother editing process, you just set your resolution down. This won't affect your resolution that you post at. So for example, my resolution for my project will be 540, but then when I post it will be 1080. So you just save it, and there you go. That should be about it. You just match it up with your audio, and yeah. So yeah, that's about it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.